Oldenburg was taken by the idea of the typewriter. The typewriter in its day was just an everyday piece of technology. One of his statements that he made when he wrote his thoughts on art was that he wanted to relate it very much to the body, to the fleshiness, to the soft squidginess of bodies, and that's what he carried through into his soft sculptures. So art as historical object, also art as provoking question, what is it, what could it be, and how do we feel about it? Thank you.